Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to allow camera effects on WhatsApp Business. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Sometimes we want to add a touch of creativity to our pictures or videos to make them more stylish and visually appealing, whether for personal expressions, a creative project, or just for fun. However, this enhancement often requires downloading third-party apps or using social media platform where their features were available. Now that the camera effects feature is available on WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business, you no longer have to switch between apps or to add filter or effects to your photos. This built-in tool makes editing photos and videos directly within the apps easily, saving time and effort while ensuring your edits are ready to share instantly. So in this video, I will show you how to enable this feature, how to allow the effects on your WhatsApp business. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can go to settings by tapping on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on settings. You can just choose on privacy. Now you can scroll down until you find there is an option allow camera effects. You can just tap on the toggle in here. You can use camera effects to provide a more expressive experience. Some effect will be mimic your face, enhance your personal calls, and message remain end-to-end encrypted. Now you can just tap on continue. Now let's see. You can use the camera effects on your WhatsApp. I will show you for the example. I will try to. Here's the effects. It's very cool, right? Here for the filter, and here's the effects that you can use. So many effects that you can try on it, and it's free. It's very simple, right? So that is how to allow camera effects on WhatsApp Business. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!